I'm your nanay. I think you're a boy. Love you.
Hi, this is your Tata Josh. I think you're a girl. Boy only.
Hi baby, I'm your Tita Trish and I think you're a boy! Hi Jenny, I'm your most amazing tita and I think you're a girl!
I'm your favorite tito. Ay, your only tito pala. So, your favorite and your only tito. I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tita Jelly and I think you're a baby boy! Hi, I'm your Tita Clay and I think you're a boy! Hi, I'm the best amazing tita ever in the world. Team boy ako kasi team boy din ang balay. So, team boy! I'm your mama bear. I think you're a
Girl!
Hi baby, I'm your favorite Ninang and I think you're a girl!
Hi, I'm your Ninong Finn, the most handsome Ninong. I believe you're a boy.
Hello baby, I'm your pretty tita Rika. I think you're a girl!
Hello, Jenny. I'm your Tita Krishna. Feel ko, you're a boy. Hi, I'm your Tita Lester, and I think you're a boy.
Baby guy!